My name's Ben, and we are currently sitting in the attic at Black Pearl here in Fitzroy, Victoria. Yeah, this is the Heads Up cocktail. You've got a little bit of dry vermouth, a little bit of sweet vermouth, some coconut water shrub in there as well, and Diplomatico Reserva Exclusiva. Just a very unserious stirred down cocktail, you know? It's very coconut forward. You've got a lot of rum, you've got a lot of like fun, fresh vibes in a very sort of stirred down, spirit forward style drink. So it's one you can sort of tuck yourself away in a corner with and be sipping with a big smile rather than like a furrowed brow. Very excited for Australian Cocktail Month. I'm excited for all the other bars and the community that sort of comes together showcasing just how much fun cocktails are, you know? To everyone, it's like I enjoy the community about it and just see what everyone's sort of been working on in their spare times and stuff like that, and getting a chance to taste and get involved in those things as well. Black Pearl, yeah, just shy of 19 years old now. It is at first and foremost, like a neighborhood cocktail bar. You know, we have lots of regulars. We're here for good times, fun times. And if we can dish out some world-class cocktails as we do it, that's a bonus. I mean, we were in lockdown for 7 months, you know? 7 months is a long time to not be bartending. Gets rusty, absolutely. It's not like riding a bike. The joints definitely seize up, you know? Yeah, people come in, they're like, you know, oh, I'd love a cocktail. And you're like, oh yeah, absolutely, sure. I know 3 now. But people were great, you know. They just want to be back. We want to be back. The whole community was great.